All right, Zach, thank you. I am joined now by Alan Valdes of Silverbear Capital. So Alan, stocks are approaching their August lows, but when you think about it, nothing has really changed that much since August. In fact, you could argue things got better because the yield curve is no longer inverted.
Exactly right. This is a knee-jerk reaction to that manufacturing number basically yesterday. That was the catalyst that started this downward trend here in the market. But as I was saying before we got on the camera, we're actually buying today. Not great, jumping really in, but we are taking positions in some stocks as I watch all the red hours go across. A lot's going to depend. The next really 12 days are very critical here. We get the meeting with the Chinese negotiators to see where that goes. And I think if that goes positive, you could see it definitely, the market go a lot higher. We get the big jobs number on Friday. We got ADP today. And that was better than analysts had expected. They were looking for 125. It came in 135. Still down from last month, but still showing growth. And at the end of the day, it's all about the retail, all about the consumer.
And I guess this late in the economic cycle, you don't necessarily need 250,000 jobs a month in order for the economy to remain strong.
Correct, and we're growing. I mean, it's still 135,000 no matter how you look at it. It's still growth, and it's not taking away jobs. So basically, you're right. Nothing's really changed that much. It's that perception and the nervousness, and that was about it.
So I guess how do you tell if this is sort of a short-term little pullback or if it's something more deeper like what we saw almost exactly 1 year ago, which was the start of a multi-month downturn, really a bear market, was what we saw in the fourth quarter of last year?
Well, that does have some traders worried because we broke the 50 and 100-day moving average, but also we're looking at the inflows and outflows. We had about 46 billion outflows in ETF equity funding last month. That's a lot. This month, although it's just starting this quarter, it's still very light coming in. Usually we have a robust fourth quarter to get it going. We're not seeing that. So there are some worrisome things on the horizon, but basically, I don't know who told you it's going to go to 30,000. I don't know if that's true.
I think a guy named Alan Valdes. For the entire year you've been calling for that.
Oh, well, what are you going to do? But I think basically we'll still have growth. And I think the market's still going to be okay. We'll see what happens. But I think if the consumer stays positive, this goes away.
So with some of the pullback we've seen over the past 48 hours, are there areas of the market that you think are showing the best signs of a buy right now?
Well, I'm watching the arrows, and you could pick your poison right there. I mean, you look at the bank stocks are all getting hit pretty big here today. The techs were getting hit. So basically, if you like a stock, if like we like some tech stocks, so we're buying them. They're on sale today, So we have been buying techs today, and we'll see where that goes. But I think if you pick a stock that you've been following, and it's off 1%, 2%, take a shot.
Okay. Alan Valdes, always great to have you here. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, Zach, back to you.